Welcome to Study Loop.
The heaviside function h is defined by this thing. It is used in the study of electric circuits to represent the sudden surge of electric current or voltage when a switch is instantaneously turned on. Part A tells us to sketch a graph of the heaviside function. So it looks like when time is less than 0 here, this thing is turned off, but then right when time is 0, this thing turns on to 1. And so let me just show you what this looks like here. Okay, so here is h, and here is t. Okay, and so we have h equals 0 for t is less than 0, and so we'll have that there. And then when t equals 0, this thing is turned on. Sketch the graph of the voltage in a circuit if the switch is turned on at time equals 0 and 120 volts are applied instantaneously to the circuit. Write down a formula for V of t in terms of h of t. Okay, so part B here. So at time equals 0, where we switch on to 120 volts. Okay, so a formula, I'll say, let's do this in green here. V of t is 120 times h of t for h is, t is less than 0. And then, of course, it's 0. Otherwise, sorry, there's my dyslexia here. 120 h of t when t is greater than or equal to 0 and 0 otherwise. Okay, and then now sketch the graph of the voltage V of t in a circuit if the switch is turned on at a time t equals 5 seconds and 240 volts are applied instantaneously to the circuit. So same kind of question here. We'll draw this graph. Let's see. There's H and T. So it looks like we're turned off until time equals 5 seconds, in which we're switched on to 240 volts. So this will be the equation V of t equals 240 times h of t minus 5, since there's a horizontal shift, and t, this is applied when t greater than or equal to 5 and 0 otherwise.